Hi my dear home cooks, welcome to my channel. When we feel stuck and are thinking what should we cook today, this is where the potatoes comes in mind. Potatoes have multi-purpose usage, you can make enough dishes with them. So, let's start this potato snack recipe. First, we have to cut our fries into strips. Add some seasoning, fresh coriander, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 3 tablespoon corn flour. Add 1 big spoon of semolina. Mix well. Fry until golden brown on medium flame. This recipe that you can cook in under 20 minutes. Give your regular French fries a twist, and make these perfect fries and enjoy. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. And hit the bell icon for more new updates. If you have any question, let me know in a comment section down below.